Hey guys, I want to talk to you today about succeeding in mobile home investing in 2025. I want to give you the tips that's going to help you not only consistently land deals in 2025, but how to make money, how to stay encouraged during this year, how to get more deals, guys. So I just want to show you the latest deal that we've got. This is included with it. 2012 Jeep Liberty, 3-bedroom, 2-bath mobile home, and we got the vehicle with it. And I want to pose the question to you guys: how much do you think we got for both of these, truck and the home? I want to walk through it right quick with you all. Put it in the chats, put it in the comments. How much do you think we've got for it? Now, this is something that I always talk about on these videos. Never let trash discourage you from getting the home. You can see that this person started doing work, came too much. And actually, it was an older lady. She got sick and the work just became overwhelming and she kind of had to part ways with the home. But guys, you hear that? Comes with stainless steel fridge. Has newer cabinets. They were doing actually some remodeling work. The sink and cabinets and countertops need to be put in. But you hear that? Central air and heat still working. Power's right up. But again, it needs some finishing work. It was doing sheetrock. A lot of trash still remaining. Never let this discourage you, because this will take about $500 to clean up, maybe $1,000 with the dumpster rental to clean all this up. But never let this discourage you. Pretty big bedroom. But this is how you succeed at investing in mobile homes in 2025. You just have to be consistent. Remain consistent, even though it may seem like you're not getting deals or the calls aren't coming in as you'd like. That's how you beat the competition. You remain consistent. Keep putting out signs. Keep checking Facebook. Keep checking Craigslist. Keep putting up your ads. And someone will call. You never know what situations people are going through. And they're just looking for someone, which will be you, to help them get out of the situation, getting rid of this unwanted problem, unwanted mobile home that's become a hassle. They don't want to fool with it. Too much work. And you're the guy, you're the girl to come in and relieve them of their pain. This is what it's all about. This is what it's about, mobile home investing. You see that it had a leak here, but don't let that discourage you. This is all simple fixes. All simple fixes. And when you think about it, we really could get rid of the home like this, but we're going to clean it up and get a lot of these things done. And guys, again, y'all drop it in the comments. How much you think we got for this deal? Remember, it was a package deal. We got the car and the home. And the bonus is it's already set up in a park. So if we want to, we can get with the park manager and see if we can keep it here and rent it out. It actually looks like they have a couple of rental homes in here. Or we can just get rid of it. It's multiple exits, and that's the things that we teach, how to get out of these deals profitably. But guys, it's a 1998 3-bedroom, 2-bath mobile home. So I want you to share what you think we got for it and just how to succeed at mobile home investing in 2025. You have to be consistent. People give up a lot of times when they're feeling like they're not getting the results they want. But it's like that old story that you hear about where it's two men digging for gold or digging for diamonds, and one, he was about to hit pay dirt. He was about to, his next swing with the axe, he was about to hit the diamonds, right? But he couldn't see it. So he turned around and gave up. And the next guy, he kept digging, and he didn't stop, and he's going to hit the pay dirt. So that's what it's all about. I don't care what business you're in. You have to be consistent. All of this get rich quick stuff, that's pie in the sky stuff. If you're really running a business and you want to be consistent, you have to be persistent, not give up, because there are seasons for different things. There are seasons where there'll be a bunch of homes. There's where you'll get a bunch of deals. And there are seasons, especially like in the winter time, where things are just kind of slow. And that's for whether you're in traditional real estate, things are just slow during the winter time. But now that things are starting to warm up, the deals will be out there. So you have to be ready with your marketing, with your advertising, so that people can find you. So that's the thing. You have to be consistent in order to succeed at mobile home investing. And again, we cover all of this in our mobile home investing secrets course, in the book, in the materials. We tell you how to negotiate, how to get these deals, how to advertise, how to find homes like these. So I'll give away the answer. We got this home for free. We got it for free, and the truck we got out there, we pretty much got it for free. We paid a little bit for it, but we paid way less than what it's worth, guys. So, I mean, we pretty much bought it way beneath wholesale price. So this was a win-win deal for everyone. We got the home, the vehicle was no longer needed, and all we did was ask, hey, the vehicle is just sitting here. Do you want to get rid of it? And they were like, yeah. The vehicle actually been sitting. The vehicle actually has been sitting for nearly 2 years or 3 years. The home has actually been sitting that time as well. And look, guys, the power's still on. You heard the AC running. This person again, this lady fell sick. It's too much of a hassle for her. She's actually living with a family member, and she found this online. It's another secret that we talk about, putting yourself online, and we teach how to do that. But that's the advantage you have over the competition when you're investing in mobile homes, that you could be where people can find you. That's another bonus. You have to be in the place where people, when they're looking to get rid of their home, they can find you. And that place is online, on the internet. And we teach you how to do that. So just want to shoot this quick video. Let me know your comments about this. What would you like us to shoot more videos on? Definitely share that, and we'll see you guys in the next video. Thank you.